don't have to eat out to get restaurant quality food. This creamy chicken Parmesan is delicious and it's a real crowd pleaser. The ingredients you're going to need are chicken broth, mustard, I'm using sweet paprika, butter, lemon. We've got our parsley and our chicken breasts, extra virgin olive oil, cheese, heavy whipping cream, tomatoes, garlic, flour, salt, and pepper. I started with 2 chicken breasts. I've cut them in half, I've pat them dry. Now I'm going to coat them in salt and pepper and paprika. I'm using sweet, you can use any kind you want. Then I'm going to put them in the flour. Okay, so I'm going to salt them. I do have quantities in the recipe, but really just do it to your liking. I'm doing the one side. Okay. Paprika. We like the sweet, and we also like the smoked. So I'm going to flip it over and do the other side. Ooh, I can smell that pepper.
That's good.
Okay, good. I think so too. Okay, paprika. Okay. Now I'm going to dredge them in the flour. Just a light coating, that's all you need. So we're heating up our pan, and we're going to add our butter and olive oil. We need both because otherwise the butter would burn. All right, our pan is ready. Adding our chicken. Okay, our chicken is resting. Now we're going to add the garlic. I've also turned the temperature down. Going to add our chicken broth. And our whipping cream. And it's also deglazing our pan, so we're getting everything off the bottom. Okay, now we're going to add mustard. You pick the kind of mustard you want to use. And lemon juice. To finish cooking, there we go. Okay, I'm not going to lose those juices. I'm adding those back in. I also have tomatoes here. You can use cherry tomatoes, but I have these Romas, so I just cut them up. Add as much or as little as you want. This is creamy chicken Parmesan. So I put some sauce on Mark's chicken.
Looks very beautiful.
I'm going to put some on mine.
I'm going to begin the cutting.
So there's plenty of sauce. That was really easy to make. Of course, like always, I've prepped everything.
Delicious looking.
Yeah.
Tastes like chicken.
It tastes like good chicken. The sauce isn't heavy.
No.
It's good. And the breading's not heavy.
No, this is a very light dish. I thought it would be a little heavier with the cream, but it's not.
It's not. It's really good.
I think it could use a little more salt. I think it has enough pepper, and the paprika
Okay.
is good.
Okay.
Could probably use a little, more salt.
Okay.
But
and that's up to individual choice.
otherwise, yeah, we
Right.
really didn't taste the sauce before we finished it up, did we?
No, that's
Okay.
true. We didn't.
So,
We
very
were
nice.
hungry. We were rushing.
Yeah, I thought this cooked up nicely.
It did. So, don't forget we have new videos every Sunday. And if you aren't subscribed, you need to subscribe. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time with another great recipe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
It's good. I'm hungry.